Welcome to TechMirror, the best pergolas of 2026, perfect for transforming your patio, garden, or backyard into a stylish and relaxing outdoor retreat. From durable materials to elegant designs, we have handpicked the top options to suit every space and budget. Stay tuned to find your ideal pergola and enhance your outdoor living. Links in the description for all the products we feature. Number 5. The Causeway Bay Metal Louvered Pergola with Solar LED is a versatile and stylish addition to any outdoor space. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant materials, it is designed to withstand a variety of conditions, making it perfect for year-round enjoyment. The standout feature is its adjustable louvers, controlled by a smooth hand crank that allows you to set the angle anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees. This provides complete control over light and shade, making it ideal for sunny afternoons or creating a cozy retreat on overcast days. The integrated LED light strips enhance evening use, offering 3 brightness levels that can be customized to suit your mood or activity. The removable control panel supports both solar and USB Type-C charging, giving you the flexibility to power the lights in the most convenient way. On solar power alone, the LEDs can run continuously for 6 to 8 hours, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for nighttime gatherings. Attention to detail is evident in its quiet design, with small silicone pads between the louvers reducing noise and preserving peaceful moments. The hidden drainage system keeps water from pooling on top, ensuring that you can enjoy your pergola even during rain. While the package includes the canopy, louvers, and anchoring materials, a proper foundation must be prepared separately. Overall, the Causeway Bay Metal Louvered Pergola combines functionality, elegance, and smart engineering. It is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their patio or backyard, offering effortless shade control, customizable lighting, and reliable performance in all weather conditions. It is truly an investment in outdoor enjoyment. Number 4. The Mirador ADS steel frame pergola with adjustable louvered roof is a sophisticated and durable addition to any outdoor space, designed to provide both style and functionality. Its standout feature is the adjustable louvered roof, which can be tilted from 0 to 89 degrees using a smooth crank control. This allows you to control sunlight, airflow, and shade with ease, creating the perfect outdoor environment for relaxation, dining, or entertaining. Built with a strong and stable steel frame, this pergola is engineered to withstand challenging weather conditions, including strong winds and heavy snow. The robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the carefully designed footplates provide extra stability, with materials varying between PE plastic and aluminum depending on the size selected. This attention to detail ensures that the pergola remains secure and safe in all seasons. The Mirador ADS also focuses on user convenience. The crank system allows effortless one-handed operation, enabling you to adjust the louvers smoothly regardless of the weather. Its design combines both elegance and practicality, making it an ideal setting for outdoor relaxation, social gatherings, or private retreats. While the package includes the louvers and anchor or mounting materials, a proper foundation must be prepared separately. Available in multiple sizes, the pergola can suit a variety of patios, gardens, or backyard spaces, accommodating personal preferences and outdoor layouts. In summary, the Mirador ADS steel frame pergola. Pergola offers durability, adaptability, and sophisticated design. Its adjustable roof, weather-resistant construction, and ease of use make it a perfect investment for creating a luxurious, comfortable, and versatile outdoor sanctuary year-round. Number 3. The Kozyard Elizabeth White Outdoor Louvered Aluminum Rainproof Pergola with adjustable roof is an exceptional addition to any outdoor space, combining elegance, functionality, and durability. Measuring 12 by 14 feet, this pergola offers ample space for seating, dining, or entertaining guests, making it ideal for decks, patios, gardens, or yards. Its modern white finish and sleek design add a sophisticated touch to any setting while complementing a wide range of outdoor decor styles. The standout feature of this pergola is its adjustable louvered roof, which allows precise control over sunlight, shade, and airflow. The louvers are made from high-quality, weather-resistant material, providing rainproof protection and enabling comfortable outdoor use throughout all seasons. Whether you seek shade on a hot summer day or want to let in sunlight during cooler months, this pergola adapts effortlessly to your needs. Constructed with a powder-coated aluminum frame and steel louvers, the pergola is both robust and rust-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. It is engineered to withstand winds of up to 65 miles per hour, making it suitable for a variety of climates. The integrated drainage system effectively diverts rainwater, keeping the area beneath dry and protecting your furniture. Installation is straightforward with included expansion bolts, prefabricated components, and clear instructions, while online assembly videos provide additional support. This pergola is versatile and can accommodate various furniture arrangements, creating a comfortable outdoor oasis for relaxation or social gatherings. In summary, the Kozyard Elizabeth White outdoor louvered aluminum rainproof pergola offers adjustable comfort, premium construction, and timeless design. It is a durable, functional, and stylish investment for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor living space and enjoy year-round outdoor experiences. Number 2. The Purple Leaf 12-foot D Louvered Pergola Aluminum Pergola with Adjustable Roof. Hardtop gazebo is a versatile and stylish addition to any outdoor space. Combining modern design with durable construction, this pergola offers both aesthetic appeal and functional performance. Its classic spray-painted aluminum frame allows it to blend seamlessly with a wide variety of outdoor decor styles, making it an ideal choice for patios, gardens, or backyard entertainment areas. Constructed from powder-coated aluminum, the pergola is resistant to scratching, peeling, corrosion, and rust. This ensures long-lasting durability, allowing it to maintain its elegance and structural integrity through years of outdoor exposure. The independent adjustable louvered roof is a standout feature, equipped with adjustable poles that allow effortless control of the louvers from 0 to 90 degrees. This provides customizable protection against sunlight and wind, offering the perfect combination of shade and ventilation for different weather conditions. The pergola also includes a hidden gutter system with a specially tilted design, which effectively directs rainwater away from the frame and seating area. This feature ensures a dry and comfortable environment even during rainy weather. Its robust frame and powder-coated finish make it suitable for year-round use, whether it is providing shade on sunny days, shelter during rain, or a cozy retreat in snowy conditions. Assembly is user-friendly with standardized instructions and prefabricated components that require no special rivets, additional materials, or welding. Overall, the Purple Leaf Louvered Pergola combines durability, adjustability, and elegance. It is a reliable and stylish choice for creating a functional and inviting outdoor living space for relaxation, dining, and entertainment throughout the year. Number 1. The Pergola Motorized Aluminum Louver Pergola is a premium solution for anyone seeking to elevate their outdoor living space with style, convenience, and durability. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this freestanding pergola is designed to withstand the elements while remaining low-maintenance, rust-resistant, and stain-resistant. Its modern design makes it a sophisticated alternative to traditional wooden pergolas, offering a long-lasting and practical outdoor shading solution. A defining feature of this pergola is its fully motorized, adjustable louvers. With the push of a button, users can effortlessly control the angle of the louvers to manage sunlight, shade, and airflow, creating the perfect ambience for outdoor relaxation or entertaining. The pergola also comes equipped with waterproof LED lighting, allowing for extended evening gatherings with a stylish, well-lit environment. Additionally, the center beam is capable of supporting a residential ceiling fan of up to 30 pounds, further enhancing comfort and functionality. The pergola features a heavy-duty double-layer design and is coated with outdoor-grade powder, ensuring long-term durability and protection from rust and corrosion. It is ideal for use alongside pools, hot tubs, gardens, patios, or dining areas, providing a versatile space for both leisure and entertainment. The package includes louvers, brackets, anchor and mounting materials, assembly tools, and detailed instructions, making installation straightforward, although a proper foundation is required to secure the structure and enhance wind and snow resistance. In summary, the Pergola Motorized Aluminum Louver Pergola combines innovation, durability, and convenience. Its motorized operation, weather-resistant materials, and integrated LED lighting make it an ideal investment for anyone looking to create a stylish, functional, and comfortable outdoor living space that can be enjoyed throughout the year. Thank you for watching our guide to the best pergolas of 2026. We have explored top options that combine style, durability, and functionality to elevate your outdoor living space. Whether you are seeking shade, rain protection, or a perfect spot for entertaining, these pergolas have you covered. Do not forget to check the links in the description for more details and to find the perfect pergola for your backyard.